To insert a SIM card in Motorola Signature, first of all you will need to grab your device. Then look for a SIM tray that is on the bottom side of your phone, and then grab SIM ejection tool, which is also included in the package with this phone. You can stick it into gap right like that, and then push on it slightly until the slot is opened. After that we can remove the slot with our fingers, and here pay attention as this device only has one physical SIM slot. On the other side you may fit a SIM card, but it is not supported, so you need to put your SIM card right here when you see a symbol like this. Then, as I said, grab your SIM card and fit it into the slot just like that. Now it's properly inserted, it doesn't gap out, and we can put it into our phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.